I chose Power Bespoke because they've got a great reputation for looking after people and also because they seem to achieve a really good price for their customers. Those are the two most important factors for me. We had a really tight timescale. We were hoping to move so that my daughter could get into a particular school. So we only had 7 weeks to get things done. And that meant that everybody had to really move as quickly as possible. And what Power Bespoke really helped with was they were very good at chasing people and very good at communicating. Set up a WhatsApp group so we all knew what was going on and they were really on the ball. I have to say I was really impressed. I'd recommend Power Bespoke because they actually do what they say they're going to do. They really look after their customers and make sure that they get what they need out of the transaction. Definitely worth every penny of their fee.